Hello, beautiful babies. Okay, so today we're going to be working on basically these are equivalent fractions, but what I'm going to be asking you to do with these is simplifying them. Okay, so remember your two rules. Write this up here in the top left-hand corner. Well, first off, the worksheet has two sides to it. There's Santa Claus and then there's a reindeer. I want you to get on the side that says Santa Claus. That has a picture of Santa Claus on the front. Okay, not very much of a hidden picture, is it? But the whole point is that you're going to color it and it's going to be an ugly Christmas sweater. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is write down this rule. Can you divide the top into the bottom? And if you can do that, then do it. Okay, so let's take a look and I'll tell you what I mean. So for example, right here, 4/24. Can you divide 4 into 24? Yes, you can. So what I want you to do is I want you to divide the top and the bottom by 4 and you get, well, actually, you know what, guys, let me write this on another piece of paper over here so that we don't make our ugly Christmas sweater even uglier. So you're going to take 4/24 over here and you're going to divide the top and the bottom by 4. And when you do that, you get 1/6. Okay, so the equivalent fraction for 4/24 is 1/6, meaning that's the simplified version of it. So I'm going to come down here and 1/6, I'm going to color that section orange. So I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to grab my orange. These are my daughter's markers. And so I'm going to color this section right here orange. And yours is going to be more beautiful than mine because you're not going to be trying to do it in a hurry. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to show you another one where you can just divide the top into the bottom. So that might be a good idea to just go through and do all of those first. All right, so let's look at 2/16. Can you divide 2 into 16? Yes, you can. So do it. 2/16, I want you to take that and I want you to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So your simplified fraction is 1/8. So I'm going to come down here and 1/8 is going to be colored brown. So I'm going to come back up in here. I'm going to get out my brown marker, brown here, and I'm going to color this section brown. And like I said, yours is going to be much more beautiful than mine. All right, I'm going to do one more that makes it so that you can divide the top into the bottom. All right, so let's find another one where it's very easy, where we can divide the top into the bottom. Okay, here we are, 3/9. If I can divide 3 into 9, then that means that I should divide the top and the bottom by 3. So let's see. I've got 3/9. Since 3 can totally divide into 9, divide the top and the bottom by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is 1/3. I'm going to come in here and it says I'm supposed to color that section blue. So I'll come down here. I'll grab my blue marker right here, grab my blue, and I'm going to color this section right here blue. Okay? All right. Now let's do one where the top won't divide into the bottom, and I'll show you what to do with that. Okay? And remember, we did a simplifying fractions anchor chart yesterday. So if you need to pull that out and look at it, do it. Okay, so let's look. Let's look at 9/12 here. 9 will not divide into 12. Okay. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So 9 does not divide into 12. So let's write it down over here. Let's write 9/12. And now we've got to simplify it, but it's a little bit more complicated than it was with the other one. So what you need to do is you need to list out the factors of 9. It's 1, 3, and 9. And then ask yourself, what's the largest number in that list that can also divide into 12? Well, the largest number in that list that can also divide into 12, that's also a factor of 12, is 3. So 9 divided by 3, and then 3 divided by 3 gives you 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this simplifies to 3/4. So I'll come in here, I'll find on my sheet, my handy dandy sheet here, 3/4. I'm going to color that red. So I'm going to come up in here. Oh no, my daughter, I'm using my daughter's markers. And the only thing red she's got is a pen. This is going to be sad. All right, y'all ready to see Miss Ross colored as in a pen? And that is pitiful, but you love me. You don't care. Okay. When y'all see Wade fuss at her for not having a red marker in her pencil pouch. Okay, you hush over there. Okay, then let's do one more where the top does not divide into the bottom. Okay, let's look at 15/18. I'm gonna write it down over here. 15/18. Definitely 15 does not divide into 18. So what you have to do is you have to list out the factors for 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15. And then ask yourself, what is the biggest number in that list that can also divide into 18? Well, 15 can't divide into 18. 5 can't divide into 18. 3 can divide into 18. So I want you to divide the top and divide the bottom by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So we're look here. 5, 6, we're going to color it purple. So I'll come up in here, take my purple marker, and I will color this section purple. Okay. Okay, should look like that. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to finish what I would do if I was you is I would finish the easy ones first. So as you're going through here, you can go through here and easily pick out the ones that are equal to half, okay? So for example, this is a half, 2/4 is a half, 4/8 is a half. Okay, so if the top is half of the bottom, you know it's half. What else is half? There's another one that's a half. Here's another one that's a half. 3/6 is worth a half. Okay, so try to find your halves first. Then go through and do all your ones that the top does go into the bottom. Okay, so 4 does divide into 12, and 3 does divide into 18, and 2 does divide into 8, and 2 does divide into 6. Do the easy ones first, and then you can work on the ones that are a little bit harder. All right, so last one I'm going to help you with is the big beard. Actually, I'm going to do the mustache. All right, so ask yourself, 2/8. I've got 2/8 here. Does 2 divide into 8? Yes, it does. So divide the top and the bottom by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2/8 simplified is 1/4. So I'll come down here and that should be colored yellow. So I'll color my 2 little mustaches here yellow. Ooh, my goodness. Something dirty on the top of my marker. Okay. All right, guys. So I want this side and the back side. When you get done, you need to turn it in for a grade. All right. Love you guys. Bye.